Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome and have a seat. Yes, this video is going to be about a day in my life, but this is the school/student edition. Today I'm going to be showing you what a typical day in Unilag looks like, so stay tuned. Before I started filming, I've already said my prayers, so now I'm brushing so we can go make breakfast.
If they like the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. You go do your one time,
for breakfast this morning, I'm having oats and fruit. This is me putting coconut milk powder and a drizzle of honey. Then I boiled hot water and honey to drink. I don't miss this every morning because it aids with my digestion.
So they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got a inshallah with them move.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
Welcome to my faculty, guys. This is the Faculty of Arts in Unilag. It's a 5-story building, and to me is the finest faculty. I know people are going to argue, but to me it's the finest. I just take a look at the inside. It's just perfection. So after my first class, me and my friends decided to get popcorn, and when I tell you guys, this is the best popcorn in Unilag, like take it from me, it's called Mommy popcorn. It's so rich in butter, it's so rich in milk, it's super tasty.
you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says.
Yeah, I'm flying. Go to the bottom. Go for that flight to come out. Except you bring the flight with the gear. Or you force it to come out.
But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.
I got back from school late because of the concert, and immediately I got back, I decided to do my assignments because this assignment is due by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Come to the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me also know in the comment section if you want me to do more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.